welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you would not miss any videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright, first thing first, I want to do a small little disclaimer. I am not a dermatologist. I don't specialize in skin. I'm not no skin specialist. I just use and do what's best for my skin. If you have any skin issues or anything like that, I would recommend talking to a dermatologist. The health of your skin depends on like a lot of stuff is what I can say. It just depends on how much water you drink, what you eat, what you don't eat, and your internal health as well. Also depends on how your skin looks on the outside. So for myself, I have dry to normal combination skin. Usually get my dry skin during the winter time, which is now like during these like colder months. All in all, I don't really have like bad skin, like bad acne and all that stuff. I never had like bad acne even when I was younger. Since we have to wear masks now, my face starts breaking out around here because of the mask being right here. So that's the one thing I've been having issues with. Other than that, I have pretty decent skin. But enough of that rambling, and we're gonna go ahead and hop into this next clip. Alright y'all, so we about to go ahead and get into this skincare routine. Like I said, I don't have bad skin at all. It's pretty good. I just have my problem areas here and there, but overall I have very nice skin actually. Alright, so then I'm going to go ahead and put on my fluffy plush headband that I got from TJMaxx. I love putting this on. It just gets me into the mindset of like it's self-care time to relax, tend to yourself, okay? The first thing I'm going to use is the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. I really like using this cleanser. It works very, very well on my skin, especially when I'm consistent with using it. And I'm going to go in with my spin brush. This is on the soft setting. There's 3 heads to this brush, but I'm using the one that you can use daily, and I love using it. It's like a mini massage for my face, and I can just do it all day, but I love using it. After I use the brush, I'm going to go in with my hands and just do another massage. Most of the time with my skincare, I just love to give my face a massage, y'all. It just feels so good. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hands and give my massage. Rinse that off, and I'm going to use a paper towel to damp off my skin. I'm just tapping it. I'm not rubbing it or anything like that. Alright you guys, so the next product I'm going to be using is the Freeman Exfoliating Clay Mask Scrub. Y'all, I love this mask so much. I've been using it for years. I love how it makes my skin feel after I'm done using it on the first go. Especially if I haven't used it in a minute. My skin feels so nice and smooth. It looks so glowy and everything. I love this product, y'all. I would usually apply this with my facial spatula, but I lost it. I don't know where it's at. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my whole entire face. Once I apply it to my whole entire face, I'm going to go ahead and massage my face again. But I'm going to be using the exfoliating component just to scrub where my dry skin will appear, which will be on my forehead, underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose. After that, I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then let it dry down, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off. While I'm rinsing it off with the water, I'm still scrubbing the exfoliating beads and everything onto my face while I rinse it off. Once I rinse it off, go in with my paper towel, tap, 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 and make sure my skin is damp, no rubbing. And you guys can literally already see a difference in my skin. It already looks glowy. I love it. So the next product I'm going to go in with is the Pearl Essence Rose Water. I love rose water, y'all. My friend got me hooked on it about like 3 years ago. I've been using it ever since. I just love it. So I actually have to buy some more, but I actually got this from TJMaxx as well. I spray the rose water on and then just let it dry down a little bit before I go in with the next product, which is the Pearl Essence Argan Vitamin E Oil Facial Serum. I actually use this product on a daily basis as well. It is safe to use daily, and I love it for my dry patches and my dry skin during the winter time. So I go ahead and put a drop on my cheeks and one on my forehead, and I go ahead and massage the oil in to make sure it is absorbed into my skin, and she be looking shiny and fresh, okay? Alright, and the final product I'm going to go in is by Neutrogena again, and it's the multi-vitamin nourishing moisturizer. Y'all, I love this moisturizer. I actually picked this up at the beginning of 2021, and I love it. This moisturizer works very, very well on my skin, especially with helping with the dry patches on my face. I knew this was the one when it got with the dry patches, okay? So I go ahead and massage this moisturizer all throughout my face. And I love that this moisturizer is not sticky or greasy or anything like that. It absorbs very, very nicely into my skin once it dries down. But after I'm done putting in the moisturizer, I'm going to go in with one more time with my little face massage. It just feels so good, y'all, while I'm also putting in the product. And then I'm going to tap on my face to actually push in the product as well. But after that, I'm pretty much done. And I just love how my skin looks after I freshly wash it. It's so glowy. It just looks so nice after it's been like taken care of. It's moisturized. It just glows within. But I'm just giving you guys a close-up of my skin after I have washed my face. You can see a big difference from what it was at the beginning of the video. I still have my problem areas, but we're going to get with that this year and get that fixed up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this skincare routine. Let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music. And I will see you guys in my next one. My name is Iyana LeShea, and I am the creator, the owner, and illustrator for Iyana LeShea Illustrations. I started Iyana LeShea Illustrations back on October 25th, 2019. I create my own illustrations for t-shirts, sweatshirts, wall decor, poster prints, and more things to come when I expand my catalog. I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's a bunch more to come. I aim for my illustrations and my brand to empower, encourage, and inspire our Black community out here, y'all. We really need this. Some deals that I have on my shirts and products on my site right now is if you sign up for the newsletters, you will receive 10% off your first order. And also when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be in the know about when I launch new products, when I launch new designs, what's new to come, early bird access to the new designs, details on how I came up with a specific design or a specific collection. And you'll also get some exclusive deals on the newsletter. So make sure you go check out my website and my brand at www.IyanaLeSheaIllustrations.com, and I'll see you guys over there rocking.